We are Super Kids!
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे लगे आपको ये सब? ये सब हमने मार्केट से परचेज नहीं किए हैं।
ये सब हमने घर पे बनाए हैं
दिवाली पर बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं।
और इन्हें बनाना बहुत सिंपल एंड इजी है। तो इस वीडियो में हम शेयर करेंगे कुछ लाइट्स वाले DIYs।
Our first DIY is some awesome water candles. इसके लिए हमें चाहिए कुछ ग्लास टम्बलर्स और ग्लास जार्स, some oil, prefer mustard oil for this, decoration material like pebbles, gemstones, glitters, artificial plants, any acrylic paint, cotton twigs and plastic sheet. First of all, cut plastic sheet into round shapes and insert cotton twigs. Make a few pieces of these. Now, we will fill these glass tumblers and jars with different decoration materials. अब हम इनमें डालेंगे वाटर। And in one of the glass jars, mix the acrylic color. It gives us the look of some wax candle. Add glitters in some of them and mix it well. Now we will add a layer of oil on top of water. Take the cotton twigs and place those on top of the oil layer. Our candles are now ready to lighten. Friends, our next DIY is lotus candle holder. For this we need some disposable plastic spoons, one green glitter foam sheet, any choice of glitters, glue gun, one old CD, battery operated candles, scissors and glue. Apply glue on both sides up to the neck of the spoon, sprinkle glitter and keep them aside for drying. Make few pieces of these. Now cut the spoons from the neck as shown. Start pasting the spoons to the CD along the borders. Make two more inner layers of the spoons as shown. Apply glue to the empty area between the spoons and sprinkle glitter to cover that. Now take the green glitter foam sheet and cut that in shape of lotus leaf. Our candle stand is now ready. Third one is my favorite, an amazing bottle lamp. For this we need a glass bottle, any acrylic colors of your choice, plaster of Paris powder, stencils of the festival, a paint brush and scratch tool, and fairy lights. First of all, we will paint the bottle with chalk paint. Mix 1 spoon of plaster of Paris in 2 spoons of acrylic color to make chalk paint. I am using black as my preferred color. Then we will apply 2 layers of chalk paint on the bottle and let it dry. We will trace the picture using stencil on the bottle. Use pencil to darken the strokes. And then, with the help of scratch tool, scratch the picture. Put fairy lights into the bottle and switch it on. Wow! See how it looks. We can use this on any festival by changing the picture.
तो फ्रेंड्स, देखा आपने, ये सब मार्केट में भी अवेलेबल है, बट खुद इन्हें बनाकर बहुत अच्छा लगता है. आप भी इन्हें बनाना और हमें फोटोज ईमेल करना.
हमारा ईमेल आईडी आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा.
एंड फ्रेंड्स, फॉर मोर अमेजिंग वीडियोस, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू वी आर सुपर.